this video today, we're going to be doing a red orange look. I really don't know. I never know what I'm doing when I record videos, so we're just gonna go with it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm using the Blood Sugar palette today, and I'm gonna be using like these colors right here, and maybe this one. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna see. Okay, we're gonna play. And with this little fluffy brush from Morohe, you're gonna take this color right here and put that in our crease. Tap it out. Before we do that, I'm gonna put powder under our eyes, so if we have any fallout, we can just dust it off. My best friend's listening to TikTok, guys. So, alright, we're gonna take that red, we're gonna put it in the crease. Whoa. I haven't played with this palette, and I've had it for like a year or maybe more than that. Okay, I'll see you, Jeffree. Even though I know that his shadows are amazing. And I'm just gonna pat that color on. And bringing it all the way into the inner corner and blending that out. Did both of the eyes with that red color. We're gonna highlight our brow bone, this color right here, on a flat brush. Same brush I use the concealer with. Tap it out. Just like that. You see how it made a difference? We're gonna blend that out with a blending brush. Just so we can just soften it a little bit. From that palette, we are going to use this color in Extraction, and that's going to be in our crease. I'm going to use this brush. Now this is turning into like a purple red look. I don't even think it's gonna match my shirt, but you know what? Whatever, we're just gonna go with it. So we're gonna put that in our crease and we're gonna blend it out. And just pack it on there first. And this color is just gonna make it darker. You see how it's just making it a little bit darker. And just keep on building that color until you get the intensity that you want. I think I'm gonna stop right here for me, because I think it's dark enough. I'm gonna use Tongue Pop, which is a shade, and then inner corner, this gold color in Sweetener. more baking powder on my face, because yeah, I don't know. To work on the lower lash line, and I think I want to do blood sugar, which is that dark red. Let's see. And we're just gonna connect blood sugar to the pink out here. There we go. I'm gonna use my NYX Milk eye pencil and just put it in my waterline. And then after I'm done with this, I'm gonna go put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. So then we can finish the lips and my highlight. I have my lashes on and I did mascara. Now I'm going to wipe this powder off, do highlight. My Wet n Wild in Precious Petals. I don't know why I always close this mirror. If y'all haven't noticed, highlight is like my favorite part of makeup. I don't know why. I just love it. And don't worry about this, I'm gonna fix it. We're gonna take my Unreal Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline, and we're just gonna use that for our lips today. I promise y'all I'm gonna do a lip color soon. Every time when I start doing my makeup, it just looks better with a nude. So yeah, we're gonna take this and put it on our lips. We are done with this look. I'm gonna go change real quick and actually do something with this hair of mine, and I'll be right back. Guys, this is the final look. I put some earrings on, straightened my hair, and changed my outfit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in my next one.